Alright guys, gonna be making some rich beef soup. Better beef? You don't like beef soup?
I want beans.
Bean soup? No, I said beef soup. This is all-purpose season. I'm showing a little all-purpose. Oh, I never opened it. All-purpose season on it. I think that's good enough. Once you hear beef soup, pumpkin and carrot, always a must. I don't know why. Pumpkin and carrot going in. Oh yes, garlic. The garlic first, then beef bone and chicken foot going in at this time. Then I add the pumpkins and carrot. I'm going to leave that for a while, then I come back. Yeah man, my soup go along with things, man. While wrapping. Yes, so finally, time for the dumplings to go in. So I'm going to make some dumplings. Yes, so my dumplings going in at this point. Some of them round, some of the long ones. There's some white flour dumplings. Yes, when I look at half pot of soup, I come to a climax, you know. So I need to get all this corn, yam, cocoa. Yes, these are root vegetables, the cocoa and yams. My Jamaican know that already, and most Caribbean people. Somebody else might be watching wonder what are these. These are yams, cocoas, they are root vegetables, they beer underneath the herbs, they are starchy. These are using Jamaican soup. So I peel them and wash them, and they are going in. Right, and then the corn is going in as well. Yes. Now, some scallion and thyme, and then the seeds, and a pack of grace noodle. Right, this one is the pumpkin flavor. That's good for pea soup. Beef soup, sorry, not pea soup, beef soup. Well, you can use pea soup, but I'm saying beef soup. That's what I'm using. Last 30 minutes left. Let's stir this up. Alright, you notice all the pumpkin mash out. Yeah, they boil and crush. Yeah, and give the soup a rich yellow color and body. Piece I find. But we'll have another 30 minutes to go, so this pumpkin is gonna be totally disintegrated. Yes, so I taste it at this point. Make sure the salt level is good. I still a post, you know. I say my soup done, husband share film and then pick me and I go lie down and anyway guys, I tell you this soup is so rich, it is so good, it is delicious. Oh my god. Thank you for watching. Catch me in another one.